Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into groundbreaking research that could potentially reverse age-related vision loss. Stay tuned to find out more. Imagine a world where aging doesn't have to mean deteriorating vision. Scientists at UC Irvine have discovered a way to target the ELOVL2 aging gene and restore essential fatty acids in the retina. Their experiments in mice have shown that supplementing with specific polyunsaturated fatty acids beyond just DHA can actually restore visual function and even reverse signs of cellular aging. This is truly revolutionary. But what does this mean for us? Could this research lead to new treatments for age-related vision loss in humans? Let's delve deeper into the implications of this groundbreaking discovery. The findings from UC Irvine have the potential to not only improve the quality of life for millions of people suffering from age-related vision loss, but also pave the way for innovative treatments that target the root cause of the problem. This research highlights the importance of understanding the genetic mechanisms behind aging and how targeted interventions can make a significant impact on age-related diseases. It's a step closer to personalized medicine for vision care. Before we wrap up, we want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on this breakthrough in vision research? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating updates from the world of science. Thanks for watching,